Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I wanted to talk to you guys about trying not to comb your hair when it looks like this. You're probably saying, well, Nezi, what does this mean? What are you talking about? What's going on with your hair? Well guys, my hair is seriously matted because I have not gotten a chance to get in there and detangle my hair and shampoo and anything. I just haven't done it. And I want to show you my ends on how they look. They are severely matted, and it gives off an appearance of me not really having long hair. So let me give you a quick turnaround of what it looks like from the back. As you can see, my ends are dry and they are brittle. And if I was to take this comb and try to comb through my hair, I might end up breaking my ends. Plus my comb can't get through here anyway. Ow, ow, ow. This is the worst time to comb your hair, when it's dry and matted. So when is the best time to comb your hair? When you have your hair wet and slippery, and when you have time and patience, and also when you're in a really good mood. Now, it is really not good to, try to detangle your hair when you're not in a good mood, because you'll be to snatch your hair out. And that has happened to me a few times because, dealing with dry matted hair, kinky hair, natural hair, nappy hair, yeah, I said it, what you gonna do with you? You ain't gonna do nothing. You ain't gonna check me, boo. You ain't gonna check me, boo. What you gonna do? So the best time to comb your hair, like I said, is when you have time, you have patience, and you have a nice wet slip in your hair. Because if you don't, you're gonna be in a world of trouble. Shay, stop barking, little girl. I'm making a video. So I do have a detangling video on how I have several detangling videos. Yeah. Oh, I want to tell you guys this too. One of my coworkers, she watches my videos and she asks me questions when she sees me at work. And she had her hair pressed out, well straightened out. We call it flat iron today, but old school we say pressed out. Although her hair was straight, her ends were starting to revert and kink up. And she was like, girl, look at my ends. I was combing my hair and all my hair had been just shedding and breaking off everywhere. What can I do? What should I do? I said, don't comb it. Do not comb it. Do not have anything going through your hair in that state. So just because you think it's straight does not mean it still won't break. Now, the best time to comb your hair is when it's wet. So when my hair is like that, even though my hair is straight and my ends are bushy and tangled and matted, I don't do anything until wash day. Wash day is the day that everything comes together. Wash day is the day when your hair is nice and loose, when your hair is in a slippery state, when your hair is less likely to break because it has moisture and wetness and juiciness and all kind of stuff in there. Hey, so that comb can slide through. Because if your comb can't slide through, that's when problem starts. That's when it starts. So I made a video. Probably a lot of you guys probably saw that video. 10 tips on how I keep my 4C hair natural. 10 tips on how I keep how I grow my hair, or some stuff I was saying. My 4C hair to grow. And I did have a segment in that video saying this part of my hair back here, oh boy, this never did grow. It never did stay thick or anything because I used to take my comb and I just snatched through that stuff back there. And I had to learn a lot about this texture back here. A lot of you guys say it's like a 4B back there. And it's not 4C. Because people still saying that. And I'm not even on that. I'm not into hair typing anymore. So, but yeah, I had to learn how to take care of this hair back here. This is a totally different texture back here. One of the things I had to learn was I had to actually put more conditioner. I have to saturate it more back there. So I have like 2 or 3 different types of hair textures, and I can't do all my hair the same way. So when it comes to this part back here, I got to make sure I have to have that really saturated with some conditioner and water and patience. And I have to make sure that when I hold my ends, I'm gently going through here, because it used to break off to the point where it used to be always short and it looked like the little W in the back. They're long on the sides and a dip in the middle. I was breaking it off. So yeah, do not comb your hair when it's like this. Now you probably say, well, Nezi, how have you been wearing your hair? What does it been look like when you've been leaving out the house? Well, I look crazy. I'll be telling y'all. But I've been wearing a little doodle ball. I don't try to comb it. I can't comb it. So yeah, I'll just take it and let me go get a band. So yeah, I got my band. I got the black band right here. And like I said, I don't comb it until wash day. If I can't comb it, but you know, in advance, I don't do anything to it. Well, let me take that back. If it's not wash day, I don't do anything to it until wash day. So it looks something like this. Does it be a little bit neater? A little bit neater. Not much. I'll look like this when I go to work. But I still have all my hair when I take my little bun down. It's not broke off and damaged on the ends, okay? So the only time it's best to comb your little matted hair is on wash day, or days when you have time and patience to saturate your hair and comb through it so that it can be properly detangled. Don't do it when you don't feel like it. So when I don't feel like doing my hair, I do nothing. And that's what I tell my coworker. Don't do anything until wash day. Okay? So that's it, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.